Transformation of the functional areas of organizations by information systems. Information system contains hardware, software, data, applications, communications, and most importantly, the people. It can transform the functional areas of organizations in the following ways. 1. Computers are used for almost any task, such as checking emails, electronic mails. So we check emails with it, we watch media, then bank and more, and so many activities, conversion of documents, desktop publishing, archival storage, so telecommuting, teleconferencing, video conferencing. So all these things, the various tasks we carry out in an office or in organizations, so they can easily be carried out through the help of computers. Then number 2, information is the life of organization. So in fact, without information, there's nothing the decision maker can do, because the decision maker can only make decision based on information available. Then information is the life of organization. So therefore, damaged or lost data can cause financial loss. It can cause financial loss. It can even cause a lawsuit. So it means that for the fact that information is the life of organization, and this information can easily be generated effectively with the use of computers. And any information generated through computers or through information system or information technology, we believe that the information will be very accurate. So, and when we are able to generate accurate information, then we'll be able to take effective decision. We'll be able to take effective decisions.